Hello, welcome to eProm this evening. I am Daedran. Spice's 9-track album Emancipated made its entry on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart. Emancipated, which was released last August, opens at number 7 on the chart, dated September 10. The album, in its first week of release, sold 700 units in the United States and 1.1 million streams, which would be equivalent to 1,500 units after rounding off. Good job, Spice.
Tape, measure, tape to the measurement. Tape, measure, tape to the measurement. Tape.
Now, today would have marked the 103rd birthday for Louise Bennett-Coverley. Jamaica and the rest of the world woke up with a Google Doodle of the Jamaican poet this morning, which was illustrated by Robin Smith. The Google Doodle is a temporary logo that is shown on Google's homepage to commemorate achievements, holidays, anniversaries, and the lives of famous pioneers and artists, etc. Miss Lou is a renowned folklorist, comedian, actress, and poet whose contribution to Jamaica's cultural life will always be remembered. She died July 26 in 2006. Thank you, Miss Lou. Now, dancehall singer and songwriter Christopher Martin has a new single. Chris recently posted on his official Instagram account a short video for the single, Guaranteed. The single is set to be released on Friday. Produced by Robert Livingston, the song speaks about Chris and a beautiful young lady enjoying attractions in Jamaica.
She no fussy, she's just living her life. She tell me that she wants to go to country tonight. She wants to see where I'm from, she wants to go for a ride. The next day we go a El Sha, going screechy. We had a food and then we see the man.
Now on the international scene, where The Weeknd was given the okay to perform by his doctors. Last weekend, the artist, while performing at SoFi Stadium in Inglewood, stopped mid-performance and told his supporters that he lost his voice. He had to cancel that concert. The Weeknd announced that he will resume his tour after getting the go-ahead from his doctors and will be performing in Toronto, Canada. The LA show will be rescheduled. That's it for ePrime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.